have iPhone XS Max, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the phone's dialer. Let's use this secret code *#06#. As you can see, here you should find the IMEI number of your device. So let's tap dismiss to quit this window, and if you would like to check the IMEI and serial number by using settings, you need to of course open the settings, scroll down and choose general, select about, and here you can find the serial number and also other stuff such as the Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth address, modem firmware, and you can also scroll down and here you can find the IMEI number of the device. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.